I want to have a quick conversation with you about Privy email marketing. And the question is this tool really worth it or not? So here's a presentation I want you to really keep in mind. So when you think about Privy, I want you to think about a comprehensive e-commerce marketing platform designed to really empower online businesses to grow their customer base and drive sales. So it doesn't matter if you are a one-person business or you're a large enterprise, you are going to find a Privy pretty interesting, especially in terms of all the capabilities that this platform really offers. Okay, so at its core, Privy focuses on converting website visitors into loyal customers through targeted displays such as pop-ups, flyouts, and banners. I want you to remember this trifecta, really. So we're talking about targeted displays such as the pop-ups, flyouts, and banners. So with its robust marketing automation tools, as a business, you actually can avail yourself of Privy to set up personalized email sequences to nurture leads and encourage repeat purchases. So what we talk about here is that Privy is kind of helping you generate revenue, but also make that revenue consistent. And the platform seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms. And we're talking about Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Magento, and so on and so forth. And we also love the fact that Privy is constantly being updated, so that's really cool. Okay, so when you think about Privy email marketing, I want you to think about a service that started in 2011. So they've been around for a while now. They've been around for nearly 15 years. And but the tool was originally designed to help restaurants and retailers measure their marketing activity on social media channels. But the thing is, since then, Privy has actually undergone several transformations, and so that's really cool. And today, this software is totally international. I mean, they're present in the States, that's for sure, but they are also available in more than 180 countries. So you're talking about a tool that's very versatile with multiple uses, all geared towards boosting business sales by improving customer engagement and turning leads into customers. So that's really important to remember. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. I want to talk to you now about the specs. So when you think about Preview, what kind of specs should you have? Well, we actually recommend this tool for startups, for freelancers, for small businesses, medium businesses, large enterprises. So you have, and also personal ventures. Okay, so you can see that the tool is actually used for a lot of use cases. And in terms of deployment, you can actually deploy this tool via the cloud, SaaS, web-based. You have mobile Android, you have a mobile iPhone, and you have mobile iPad. So this is totally fine. And we love the fact that the company is constantly updating its platform. That's really cool. And one thing I need to say before moving to the next section is that the company is located in the United States, but like I said, they are available in over 180 countries. They are expanding to very soon. They will hit the 200 country mark. That's really brilliant, because when you think about it, the company has been in existence for less than 15 years, but their ability to actually expand and really understand the cultural, I would say the cultural subtleties of every country, and actually come up with a tool that adapts to those cultural subtleties. That's really good, because when we talk about customer engagement, at the root of customer engagement at email marketing lie the important elements of culture, chronology, demographics, and geography. And Privy is actually a great tool that is able to marry all those four elements into a tool that actually satisfy all kinds of customers. So that's really cool. So if you're a startup, you will love the fact that Privy allows you to engage with customers. And when I talk about engagement, I'm talking about engagement through email, marketing campaigns, text messages, and other communication channels. And by building an email list, businesses such as yours can create a more personalized connection with their customers, which really, when you think about it, allows for greater control over their perceptions and actions. I'm talking about the perceptions and actions of those customers. You are trying to really convert those customers or those prospects into paying customers, and you want them to be loyal customers for a long time. That's what you want, boss. I want to talk to you. I want to remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Privy. Is this customer engagement tool really worth it this year? I want to talk to you now about pricing. So I want you to really first take a look at what you have on the screen right now. So you have a trifecta that really shows you the pricing tiers of Privy. So you have the free plan, you have a starter plan, and you have a growth plan. So when you analyze Privy from that point of view, you have a freemium tool, right? So, but the the free plan is kind of cool, but that free plan allows you to really test the waters, if you will. I mean, test out the product and see if you like it. But if you really want to start really feeling the juice of this product, it's better to go with a growth plan. I mean, the growth plan is where the juice is really is at. Okay, but hey, listen, depending upon your budget, you could just stick with the starter plan and really see if you kind of like it. Okay, so long story short, Privy actually offers a range of pricing plans tailored to different business needs. So the free plan catering to users with up to 100 mailable contacts and basic features. The starter plan, that's the mid-tier one, begins at 30. As you saw on the screen, it begins at $30 per month, and it really accommodates up to 1,500 mailable contacts and includes advanced email marketing tools. And the growth plan is priced at is priced from $45 per month. Again, all the prices I'm giving you, those are starting prices. Okay. And so when we talk about the growth plan, this plan is designed for businesses with up to 2,000 mailable contacts. By mailable contacts, I'm talking about email contacts, okay? And also you have 75 textable contacts. And this growth plan incorporates SMS marketing. Additionally, Privy Text is available for $10 per month for 100 textable contacts, and Privy conversion starts at $84 per month for 50,000 page views. So you have a large array of possibilities with Privy. And what we love about Privy here is that you are able to have access to a larger constellation of features if you are willing to pay for it. That's what we love in terms of the scalability aspect of a Privy, because Privy might actually look pretty simple and straightforward, but you actually can unlock more features if you are willing to pay for more. I want to talk to you now about the features. So when we talk about Privy, what kind of features are we really paying attention to? Well, Privy is pretty advanced in terms of the features that the tool really offers right now. You have an activity dashboard. The activity dashboard is pretty granular, so you have the opportunity to do all kinds of activities, all kinds of process. You can unlock all kinds of processes through the dashboard. You have SMS marketing. You have real-time analytics. Real-time analytics is, I mean, those are pretty interesting in terms of their scalability, their scalable nature. So, in other words, whether you have a 1,000 mailable contacts or 1 million mailable contacts, the analytics work fantastically. You have list management. You have the opportunity to verify emails through the platform. You have user management. You have automated email responses. And our team really loves the fact that when we actually investigated this tool, we found that the tool was actually adaptable to all kinds of verticals, all kinds of niches, all kinds of sectors. Really, you also have in the list of the features, you have surveys, you have lead capture, you have file management. So that's kind of cool in terms of helping you if you have a long email list, the ability to manage your files. You have event triggered actions. You have high volume sending. You have a domain reputation. That's kind of cool. You have a drip campaign. So when we talk about drip campaigns, of course, we are speaking about the sequential nature of your email sequences. So that's really cool. And Privy does a great job actually helping you structure your drip campaigns in a very methodical way. You have the drag and drop. You have customizable templates. You have customer segmentation. You have import and host meeting list. That's another possibility. That's really cool there. You also have the opportunity to build and personalize emails. So again, going back to what I said about customizing your relationship, or let's say personalizing your relationship with your prospects and customers. You have campaign management. You have can spam compliance, contact database, and what you see is what you get editor, as well as multivariate testing, A/B testing. That is, boss. I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Privy email marketing. The question is this tool really worth it this year or what? If you want to analyze Privy to your satisfaction, big question is do you have to avail yourself of the additional features that the platform really has, right? It's one of those things where you are having a conversation with not only your team, but also with the prospects you're trying to reach. And when we talk about reaching prospect through Privy or through other email platforms, we are talking about a quartet that I mentioned a little earlier, right? We have the demographics, we have the geography, we have also the so we have demographics, we have geography. I'm blanking on the third one, but it will come back to me. The chronology, that's a chronology, and the fourth one is the vertical. So we're talking about a niche, specific niche. So additional features you have within Privy include landing pages, web forms. Yeah, even though landing pages within the Privy are not the best that you can actually imagine, you have a contact management, you have campaign scheduling. So campaign scheduling is another element where you are able to really unlock more features within Privy. You have web forms. Web forms are kind of cool. You have campaign segmentation. So now we're not just talking about campaign management. We're all speaking about campaign. I mean, we're not talking about campaign scheduling, but we're talking about campaign management. And it's important to understand that you have to also pay attention to the segmentation part of things. You have subscription management. You have segmentation, so general segmentation. So not just the segmentation of the campaigns, but also the segmentation of the email list itself. And you have mobile commerce. So Privy really adapts pretty well with your ability to conduct business via mobile phones. You have dynamic content. You have campaign analytics at a very granular level. You have email marketing. You have customizable branding. So you are able to actually get a lot of stuff happening right away. So you have also customizable forms. You have reporting and analytics. You have promotions management, conversion tracking. That's really cool. You have auto responders and chat and messaging. So really a pretty comprehensive list of things that Privy can do for you. I want to talk to you now about the value added. So when you think about Privy, what kind of value do you think this tool can add to you? Well, we have found a series of areas where Privy adds a lot of value. The thing is that the very first part of the value adding process here is that you can create email marketing campaigns. You are able to send you can send messages to subscribers. You can create pop-up campaigns for your website that will get customers to buy from your online store for the first time and convince them to buy again. Let me drink some water here. Thank you so much. Okay, so what I was actually saying here is that you are able to use Privy for a lot of things, and you are able to increase the interaction that you have with the visitors, or the people who are visiting your website or your blog or your landing page or what have you. Okay. And so Privy really adds value because it becomes the perfect chance for your website visitors to be converted into email subscribers. This is really, when you think about it, a significant opportunity to grow an email list that will eventually lead to more active customers. Because the whole idea here is to actually monetize your email list and really turn it into a source of revenue. And we're not just talking about revenue sporadically, but we are speaking about a full-time revenue source. Okay. Now, let me talk to you about the areas where Privy really adds a lot of value and can really help you monetize your whole work streams. We are speaking about drag and drop, for instance. You have coupon codes, you have a spin to win pop-ups, banners, you have automated emails. That's really good. You know, Privy actually adapts really well in terms of helping you with SMS marketing. So we're talking here about Privy text. And Privy doesn't, and that's a good thing. Privy doesn't limit its services to an email address, less like any email automation software that respects and keeps customers engaged. It also allows your customers to contact clients over text messages. So this is really good. You have audience targeting. So when we talk about audience targeting, you have all kinds of opportunities, especially in the e-commerce arena. So in the e-commerce arena, Privy really does a great job in terms of giving you a couple of features where it adds value in your e-commerce sales. For instance, you have free shipping bar, you have cross-sell, you have a broadcast text, you have automated split test, you have a revenue attribution, you have auto responders, and you have a segmentation. So that's really cool in terms of opportunities there. I want to talk to you now about Rival. So when you think about Privy, what kind of alternatives can you have there? I mean, you have a lot of players in a very crowded field. When we talk about email marketing or email marketing automation, to say the least, you have a lot of players. I mean, I'm talking about Get Response, for instance. You have a MoveSend, you have a Aweber, and you also have Pebly. I mean, a lot of folks don't know Pebly, but Pebly actually allows you to have a solid email marketing system, providing reliable inbox delivery, subscriber segmentation, and auto responder emails within an intuitive interface design. This is really good. So what is our verdict here? Big question let me now answer the question that I started this conversation with. Is Privy email marketing worth it or what? Yeah, email marketing is overall the wave of the future, and Privy plays an important role in helping you structuring your email marketing campaigns and also structuring your customer engagement. And so, in that sense, we are talking about email marketing automation. So this is kind of cool. And Privy actually is safe. Privy is legit. Privy is a great investment, and Privy is affordably priced too. Okay, so if you're a small business, or if you are a one-person business, or even a large business, or even anything in between, a mid-sized business, looking for an app that can help you capture and convert visitors into long-lasting clients efficiently, you will love Privy for that. And if you are in e-commerce, or you're having a retail commerce style, you are actually going to appreciate Privy anyway. Okay, because when you think about Privy, I want you to think about not just a one-off software tool, but I want you to think about a suite of email marketing, SMS tools, and conversion tools to improve and enhance customer communication. So you can sell more online by turning visitors, if you will, into customers and then into repeat customers. And this is kind of cool. And what we love about Privy is that Privy actually introduces a controlled cycle where all your marketing efforts are directed towards helping with customer loyalty. So that's really good. And Privy does a great job in terms of helping you solidify your strategy over the long run. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. This is the end of today's conversation. So let me do a quick recap here. I was talking to you today about Privy email marketing. So I gave you the presentation, the specs, the pricing, the features, the value added, and the rivals. And finally, the verdict. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.